Yo, what's good? It's your boy Kurt, and today, man, we have another reaction, no? So ngayong araw, man, we have, again, Damn the Making concept, no? Again, natutuwa ako sa ginagawa nila dito na breakdown nila yung elements kung paano nila ginawa yung kanta and yung music video and yung dance step ng Damn, no? So now we have the concept, no? It is isa sa mga elemento nitong Damn nila na kanta and yung music video na sobrang curious ako kung saan nila nakuha yung konsepto, kung paano siya nabuo. I hope na masabi ito kung paano siya nabuo. And kung kanino galing, yung pinakapanimulang idea na ganito yung gawin nila, kung kanino galing, no? So, I'm really excited. I'm really looking forward sa video na to, no? But yeah, natin patagalin, no? Ano pang nihintay natin, dami natin dadawit without further ado, man. Let's get it.
Every release before has been true to their characters. So, kapag ibabalik natin kung sino sila before and ipasok natin sa Damn, since sobrang nag-connect lahat.
So, before mabuo nila yung pinaka-konsepto and yung tema ng, parang music video, yung character nila, so binase nila yon sa parang personality nila and sa mga unang music video, ganun ba, ng SB19 na para maging bagay sa bawat character na gagawin nila sa concept na to, ano ba?
Dito siya. Dito yung statue.
So ini-sketch nila yung parang magiging itsura ng lugar, no?
Basically, Damn is Pablo's dream. Literally, Pablo's dream.
Oh.
Ang taas ng pressure, lahat kami...
Pablo, man. It never ceases to amaze me, no? Sobrang lawak ng utak sa paggawa ng kanta. At the same time, yung imagination niya para sa music video, man. Big ups to Pablo, man.
May ganado to really perform. Gusto namin ng mahabang planning. Gusto namin ng pulidong planning and may time for the artistry to grow.
And pinagbigyan
Yun? Wait lang.
Ang taas ng pressure, lahat kami ganado to really perform. Gusto namin ng mahabang planning.
So si Luis Anthony Duran is a creative producer and photographer. And si Yana Chris Forbes is a creative director and executive producer. Okay.
Gusto namin ng pulidong planning and may time for the artistry to grow.
and pinagbigyan tayo.
And pinagbigyan talaga. Sobrang grateful kami doon. And yung amount of creative freedom, natatranslate ko ng maayos in terms of the logos, in terms of the look, the colors. Kasi yung songwriting na mismo na...
Ayun ang pinakamaganda, no, sa isang project. Again, wala silang kadena, no, na mananatili lang or susundan lang nila yung isang parang blueprint kung sino yung pinakaunang nakaisip, no. So, hindi na brainstorming, no. Again, malaya sila sa pagiging creative nila para magawa and napakaganda na kanalabasan, di ba?
na ilalatag niya sa akin. And sobrang na-appreciate namin yun as artists kasi we get to see the intention behind the music. Natatranslate namin dun sa visual that pinuproduce namin ngayon for Damn. Let's make sure everything connects, everything snaps in. So people would think and people would look back to everything that they have released before. And we have Alan Shi as a director.
Has been working with them.
Has been working with them
since what?
Since what?
Actually, since the trade.
Has been working with them since what? Like, pwede mong siyang since what? Year. Pwede siyang sa buong sentence pero again, yung tinutuon nila yung so what na song na.
People would think and people would look back to everything that they have released before. And we have Alan Shi as a director.
Has been working with them.
Has been working with them
since what?
Since what?
Actually, since the trailer of Ikalawang Yugto. So always been Alan Shi.
So Alan Shi, Carlo, it's been the same team. That's why it feels
Alan
like home. One of the challenges pa was sa creative direction part was the wardrobe. Kasi since it's medieval, it requires so much attention to detail. That's
True.
why good thing we have the best of the best. Like literally right now here, sila Miss Rain, sila Francis Libiran, sila Neric Belt.
Siguro sobrang saya ni Pablo ng buong SB19, no, dito, no, na yung ang kasama nila or yung team nila is yung, again, the best of the best. At the same time is hindi tamad, no, hindi tamad, and also excited sa gusto nilang ipalabas. And yung nagawa nga ito dito sa wardrobe at sa suot nila, parang nabigay nila or nakasat na ang Tagalog nun, isa katotohanan, isa katuparan, 'di ba? Yung nasa imagination lang nila nung umpisa, no?
Dun sa briefing pa lang, ang sabi nila is, ito na guys, welcome back. Kasi since tayo rin yung gumawa ng pagtatag pa. So, parang sabi
okay.
nila na this is the third chapter. We have to conduct an interview with them, like a discovery session with the members to really get to know what they want to tell.
Yung seed, parang mahihigitan nyo sa ganda. So, if, for example, umakit ka ng bundok, ang taas na narating mo. But how do you higitan yun?
Go beyond that.
May puno. Period siya, di ba? Pero it's also a seed that you can plant. And
Ganda ng,
how do you
ano no, ng metaphor ni Bobby din.
may puno. Period siya, di ba? Pero it's also a seed that you can plant and you can reach more heights. And at the same time, you're able to inspire people through that seed kasi babalik. Parang naging cycle siya.
So parang ang initial nilang brief is, it's medieval, and then sacrifice.
One of the challenges pa was, it requires so much attention to detail. 3, 2, 1, go! Yun, okay? Alam nila yung gusto nila eh. So, it makes everything easy in terms of visually ha. Kasi nagpo-provide sila ng gusto nila. Na-appreciate namin si Stel kasi actually, sobrang laki na ng tinulong niya sa story.
Yung character niya, kasi sabi niya, I would like to suggest na
Told you, man. Sa story pa lang nung I mean, isa sa may pinaka-importanting, kung for example hindi to kanta. I mean, it's just like a story, like a movie, like a series, no. Yung character ni Stel, alam mo na parang may napakalaking role doon, no, sa buong music video na yon, man.
na may dalawang character ako.
You can see I have two personalities din, which is the good and bad still. So yung good, technically, siya yung nakakulong doon sa loob ng mirror. And yung bad, siya yung parang nag-uudyok doon sa mga tao na parang pumilit pumasok nung mga layers namin, parang puntahan yung magic tree. Yung bad still yung nagsasabi sa tao na parang they really need to go inside para makita and makuha yung fruit nung tree na yun.
Sa story natin sa dam, if kailangan nilang buhayin yung tree, hindi nila magagawa yun nang wala si Stel. Kailangan pakawalan ni Stel yung sarili niya.
Oo.
Para makatulong siya sa grupo. Yun yung halos naging main plot ng Dam na music video.
Tsaka yung in terms of pagtatag, kasi diba, dugo din talaga ni Stel yung nakabuhay ng tree.
Actually, siya yung nagtanim.
Siya yung nagtanim, oo, sa ikalawang yugto. Basically, ganun siya ka-vital in terms of the...
Oh, shit, man. Now, I feel like man. Parang gusto kong panoorin yung mga yon, man. And masyado akong na-atat and excited because, again, most probably una ko tong, ayoko sabihin, man. Ayoko sabihin. But, as you can see, I am, what I'm doing right now, kung di napapansin, is, again, I'm trying to react to this, to the making of Dam, and we already reacted to like Mana, and I even already reacted to Pagtatag, man. That EP, you can actually watch it here in my channel. I did that reaction like last 2023. And also we did already react to Dam. But I'm actually, what I'm doing here is I am starting from the bottom, no? Because I actually want to know all of them and, to hear all of their music from the start hanggang dito sa point ng simula at wakas. Because, again, hindi ko siya, I mean, it's a bit cringy, pero that's what I'm doing right now. And I am trying to do that before yung release ng Simula at Wakas for me to have the, the experience. Right? Because marami nagsabi sa inyo that this is like a trilogy, something like that. And I wanna experience that. No? I feel like nasa maganda akong upuan ng sinihan ngayon, no, para gawin 'yon. Kasi I mean, katulad sa inyo, 'di ba? Like you guys waited like a year or months for the next EP, for the next music video, but I'm here now. I have a lot of time to start from the bottom until Simula at Wakas. And again, Simula at Wakas. So gusto ko siyang simulan hanggang dito sa I mean, I assume this is not going to be the last, but most probably yung wakas ng trilogy na ginagawa nila. Kasi again, it's trilogy, so of course, it's tatlo lang, no? Trilogy. Makes sense, no? Pero that's what I'm doing right now. And I'm actually starting it. Most probably, I'm going to upload a video later from the bottom hanggang ngayon, mga kanta nila, and I'm trying to do that bago lumabas yung EP. And again, it's April 25, right? Correct me if I'm wrong. So, pero pag nakikita ko to, paano nila ginagawa, kinakwento nila dito, na-excite ako, naaatat akong makita na yung detalye na yun. Like this. Like, ito na mo, na-spoil lang ako eh. What the fuck? But at the same time, it makes me more excited na panoorin siya, na like yung puno na yon. I mean, again, yung puno pa lang na yon is meron ng meaning, di ba? Again, ang puno is pwede mo siyang i-interpret as life, right? Kahit saan, man. Kahit hindi dito sa kanta ng SB19 or sa concept na ginagawa nila or sa story na ginagawa nila, tree is life, right? So, ilagi yung pwedeng katumbas na meaning ng puno. But hindi ko na-expect na meron siyang pinaggalingan na like, tinanong ni Stel, and that opens like a wider possibilities and wider range of the story na they're trying to create in here, that it makes sense that Stel, or the good Stel, is the reason why they were able to buhayin yung puno. Naging konyo na naman, So,
The entire universe.
Si Pao naman, yung contribution niya, bukod sa siya yung nagsulat ng song and all. Kumbaga, binigyan niya kami ng insight to ano ba talagang iniisip niya during na sinusulat niya yung song. So, ang sabi niya doon sa discovery session is, panaginip niya talaga yung dam. So, parang ang dream niya is nakatayo silang 5 sa isang dam.
Parang dulo.
Parang dulo, parang cliff, oo. So, parang kaya sa music video nilagyan namin siya ng parang
oh, nice.
cliff. Yung dam kasi may pinipigilan ka, di ba? Pinipigilan mo yung flow ng water.
Ang Wolf King, napakadami niya ng digmaang nilabanan. And dumating sa point na napapagod na siya sa mga laban-laban, sa digmaan. So,
laban-laban?
parang nagpahinga siya sa kanyang lair, kung saan namalagi siya for many, many years. Yung ability niya is shadows. So, he's able to control the shadows. And so, syempre, hindi pwede sinaga ng araw kasi nga nandun na siya sa lair.
Basically, dam is Pablo's dream. Kasi panaginip niya talaga.
Panaginip
And natutuwa kami na napapanaginipan niya yung boys kasama siya sa panaginip. And
Kaya kasama siya sa pangarap.
kasama sa pangarap.
Nice, man.
Dapat ma-fall ko sa face?
And lahat dapat approve nila. Lahat dadaan sa kanila. So, parang, alam mo yun, the moment na may na-approve na, talagang lahat sila on board doon.
Lahat-lahat kami sobrang alam na namin yung creative brief by heart.
Okay. It's better.
So parang nag-aano sila dito, parang kumbaga like a mock acting, no? Kung ano yung magiging itsura nung oh, sorry man kung sino ka man na-post kita sa pinakapangit na ano. Hindi itong nasa parang malaking monitor, itong ano, nasa music video ng Dam. No, pasensya na men, parang na-stretch yung mukha mo. Pero yun, alam mo yun, parang 'di ba sabi nga nila bago nila isa katuparan, no, lahat mo nadadaan sa malima, no, para makita nila kung ma-imagine nila kung maganda ba yung angulo, yung anong galing, no, nagma-mock acting sila ng senaryo na kakasatuparan. I don't know how to speak Tagalog, man. What the fuck? Na marirealize in real life, no, pag ginawa nila yung music video.
During meetings, si Josh, ang dami na talagang
Ang
suggestion.
dami niya. Siya yung pinakamadaming insight, suggestions, tsaka
Tsaka, yun nga, siguro sa kanila lahat, siya yung pinaka ma-experience sa games tsaka sa mga medieval.
Basically, kuha, di ba, pag naglalaro ka ng mga MMORPG, RPG, di ba, meron mga classes.
Yeah.
Nandun ako sa class na parang assassin or thief.
so gusto niya ng may power siya.
Nagkataon
Man, Josh, alam mo na, naglalaro to ng Ragna, man.
din na may powers ako kasi sabi ko gusto ko na may powers ako.
Kasi to connect assassin sa thief, man, alam mo ng Ragnarok yung nilalaro na ito, man.
And for this time, I want it to be lightning. Matagal ko na kasi kung magkakaroon ako ng powers, is siguro yung lightning.
Ooh, yeah, we're the same, man. Come on, give me a dap. Man, gusto ko talaga yun. Kaya lagi sa lahat ng mga anime and movies na pinapanood ko na mayroong character na may kapangyarihan, na lighting, sobrang na bibilib ako or naaasigan ako. No, man.
It looks super cool. Ganun. Pero, and then, nagdidicay din yung ibang parts ng katawan ko. Nag-feel na kami, in a way, and ako, dun sa mga nangyayari.
Yan, ang ganda niyan.
Pero syempre, minsan kasama lang yun sa challenges ng buhay natin. Hindi tayo syempre papayag na mahina tayo. It's just a bad day. Not a bad life.
Nung dinidirect ko siya kanina about sa isang post niya, sinabi ko lang yung certain, sabi ko mag-require din post ka from Dota. Alam niya na agad. So, yun yung thing about Josh kasi ang dali niya pumasok doon sa role niya ngayon.
Baliktad yung siksik ko.
Kasi gusto niya di ba?
Marumi kasi ito eh.
Tapos sa meetings din naman, usually kasi si Ken, ang dal-dal niya talaga. Tapos siya yung
Talaga
tumatayo.
ba?
Tapos parang sabi niya, alam ko yan, alam ko yung reference niya, alam ko yung ganyan.
Yung character ko sa music video is para
Wala na, yun. Yung sinabi niya yun, yung sabi niya, yung character ko sa music video is, yung sinabi niya yun, I feel like that's the longest sentence na sinabi niya na napanood ko, no, sa isang vlog nila. Kasi, if you guys watch, I actually started to react to their show break, no, episode 1. I mean, katiting lang yung sinabi niya doon. But I feel like yung sinabi niya, that's the longest na napainggan ko.
Sa meetings din naman, usually kasi si Ken, ang dal-dal niya talaga. Tapos siya yung tumatayo. Tapos parang sabi niya, alam ko yan, alam ko yung reference niya, alam ko yung ganyan.
Yung character ko sa music video is para siyang warrior and madami siyang pinagdaanan. He has a lot. One thing is parang troubled siya or anxious siya because of what happened sa war. So that's why pag nakikita niyo sa music video, and that's why yung character ko naging ganyan is because he wants to protect the tree. And of course yun yung goal ng group.
Ready? 3, 2, 1. Start ka muna sa Yuko. Yuko ka muna. Yan. Okay.
Sila Josh, si Ken, they know the material. Ultimo, pati yung details ng book, sinabi ni Ken na mas maganda yan pag may mga metal parts, pag ganito yung writing. As in, lahat sila may inputs to that very detail.
Nice,
Si
man.
Jack kasi sobrang natutuwa kami kasi lahat ng ipoproduce namin, lahat ng ipapakita namin sa kanya visually, sobrang nagugustuhan niya, sobrang appreciative siya for it. And may inputs din talaga sila na what if ganito yung material, na what if ganito yung color.
Magsasend talaga siya ng photo, magsasearch siya.
Oo, as in real time, pag nakita niya, magsasend agad siya ng photos para lang to suggest. Hanggang makarating kami ngayon kasi I believe that
so final,
the boys, SB19, alam nila yung gusto nila eh. So it makes everything easy in terms of visually. He represents the decisions of the group. Then
Yung character ko naman dito sa Damn music video is very, sabi ko, me, very me. Hindi, kita nyo naman, nature, ganyan, halahalaman. Blind ako, pero I can see more than what the normal people can see. Parang ganun yung
Kasi parang nature, no? So parang sa sense niya using his power is nature power. Ganun ba? So parang sa mga paniko nila, like paniko. sa panike, like yung echolocation or sa mga ano ba, dolphin yun, di ba? May echolocation.
mensahe niya na hindi lang ako nakakita basta, but I can see what's beyond. And nakita ko
Para siyang nakabiyakogan, man. Sakto puti pa yung mata niya.
nga kung ano yung solusyon dun sa problema, parang ganun. Ang role ko is yung character ko ay isang researcher. Yun, even though
scholar,
I'm
parang
blind, I
wizard.
can see what's beyond.
Bagay sa kanya yung role niya, eh, no? Saktong-sakto.
From the past projects, ito talaga yung pinaka hands-on sila. Kasi sa lahat ng meeting, they make
Look at that, man. Wait.
from the past projects, ito
Wait.
talaga yung pinaka
Yeah. Look at that shot, man. We all know kasi napanood na natin yung MV shoot na after ng hagdanan na yan, it's all blue screen, man. Pero look at that shot, man. Again, paulit-ulit kong sasabihin to, no? Paulit-ulit. Ulit kong sasabihin to, no? Come on. Ano, yung mga movie natin, let's go. I mean, I know we already like excel sa mga drama, comedy. Sobrang comedy na nga natin sa mga movie is kumorni na, no? Sobrang dami nating comedy movies. I mean, I feel like yung action movie nga natin ngayon is mas maganda pa yung dati kaysa ngayon, no? Sa totoo lang, sa panahon nila Fernando po kaya pa nilang magpasabog ng kotse o magpaikot ng kotse sa gitna ng highway. Pero ngayon parang, ang hirap, no? But, like, again, gusto kong makapanood like, na fantasy na movie, like in a medieval era, katulad nito, na gumawa yung Pilipinas ng movie na gano'n, no? Na hindi ano. Come on, man. Come on. Look at this, man. This is a music video. Come on. Sana dumating yung pagtaparod nila to na mahiya, no? Yung mga producer ng mga movie. And ano sila, ma-realize na, mag-step up na kaya tayo. Again, just want you to know, guys, no? I know masyado nang malayo yung sinasabi ko ngayon sa pinapanood natin, pero aside from watching or listening to songs, again, isa yan sa mga hobby ko, kaya nga I do reaction, no? I love watching movies, man. I love watching movies. I feel like there's always a movie that I'm looking forward to watch, and parang araw-araw meron akong movie na pinapanood. Totoo lang. So, yeah, I mean, nakakalungkot lang na most of the movie na pinapanood ko is foreign. Kasi hindi ako makahanap dito sa atin. So, pero man, come on, man. I think, you know, nag-step up na yung mga music video natin. I think, yung movies naman natin, which is dapat naman talaga yun yung unang mag-step up sa gantong klase ng ano, no? Pero, I mean, man, come on. You guys need to step up.
hands-on sila.
Kaya naman kayo.
Kasi sa lahat ng meeting, they make sure na nandyan silang lahat.
doon namin naramdaman na
Super hands-on
sobrang
sila, no?
pinaprioritize na to. As in, sobrang binibigyan nila ng effort, binibigyan nila ng time. Basically, yung MV na to, ang taas ng value for them na they wanted to want it to be as ambitious as possible. They want it to be personal as possible. Sobrang naging madali because everybody is on board. As in, lahat kami it's on the single, as in lahat kami in one page.
Sobrang ganda and sobrang happy ng boys sa kinalabasan.
Let's go, man. Alright, well again, that's Damn the Making concept, no? Nakakatuwa. I mean, hindi na nabanggit doon kung, I mean, maybe a little bit, no? Kung paano nila nasimulan yung concept, pero yung mismong concept na parang naging ganun, like parang nila napagdesisyonan na parang medieval era yung mangyayari, no? Pero at the same time, nakakatuwa kung paano nila ginawa. Yun, no? Pinapakita nila doon kung ano yung step na ginawa nila, saan siya nanggaling, and yung dam, no? Yung panaginip ni Pablo tungkol sa dam na they're on the cliff, like standing, pinapasa parang sa dam, and then yung dam is meron siyang pinipigilan kasi pinipigilan nila yung tubig, di ba? Kaya nga may dam, pero at the same time yung dam ay yung pumipigil sa mga tao is yung parang gate para makapunta doon sa tree, and at the same time yung dam is huling syllable ng word na pakiramdam, di ba? You know, there's kada papansinin mo sa music video sa kanta is sobrang daming layer, no? Parang every time na papakinggan mo siya and papanoorin mo siya, parang may bago kang mapapanood. Parang may bago kang mapapansin. And ma-interpret as, siguro ganito yung meaning nila dyan. You know, that's why I'm actually, again, starting from the bottom, like sa mga kanta nila, for me to be able to watch it again and mapansin kung ano yung mga hindi ko napansin noon, di ba? So parang, alam mo yun, yung feeling na ganoon. But yeah, I mean, napakaganda video. This is a banger video. But that's a wrap for today, man. Sana nagustuhan nyo. Leave a like and subscribe. Kung gusto mo magkasubitin yung artist, man, singer, rapper, song, man, just comment down below. Nag-react tayo dyan. And that's it for me today. See you on my next vid. Stay awesome. Peace.